Hello, my sweet chemists. We are continuing with our pre-AP chemistry review, acids and bases. This is number 25, the last on the page. It says a weak acid, HX, dissociates 4.0%. What is the pH of a 0.50 molar solution of the acid? All right, so what we know is that the concentration of the hydrogen ions after it dissociates, we know that that is 4 out of 100, right? That 4%. And we need that 4% of the concentration. So our concentration is 0.50. Is that what it is? Yeah, 50 molar. So if we multiply that, .5, I get 0.02, let's say 0 molar. Okay, so that is our concentration of 4%. But now what we have is it's asking what is the pH? What is the pH? And remember, pH equals the negative log of that concentration of the hydrogen ions. So this is going to be negative log .02. Okay, we have 2 sig figs. This is going into pH. That means we're going to have 2 decimal places. So that is going to be 1.70. That is the pH.